Hello, my name is Hyeok Woo, and today my topic is Mars. So before we proceed with the question, what do you think about this picture, or what do you see here?
There's like a dome.
Yes, you're correct. There's dome and teacher Mario.
Wow, you know me. So impressive. So we do have a rocket, maybe space exploration.
Oh yes, you're
Yeah.
correct. So this is the future plan of the Mars. So this is like the domes, and then space terminal. So this is my question. Can future technology control or weaken the storms in Mars?
Maybe. Maybe.
Yeah, for example, using a satellite or other technology that we can develop. Yes. And what is Mars? I think everyone know what is Mars, but I'm just gonna explain again. So Mars is a planet that has huge volcano, that is 2 times bigger than Mountain Everest, and it has similar days with Earth. So which means it's 24 hours and 30 minutes, and it's 37 minutes faster than Earth. And then there's also 2 moons that look like potatoes, which means it's not perfect circles.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like kind of potatoes.
Oh, not wrong, folks.
And there's dust storms in Mars. So the giant dust storms can cover the entire planet because of the big size. And then there's also low survival rate for human, obviously. And then it can last for even weeks or months. And winds can reach about 100 kilometers per hour. So what technology do we need? So first we need electric shields. It can pushes dust away using electricity. And second, we need lens magnets to keep a camera and windows clean. And then for those sleek coating, it can stop the dust from sticking to gears. And then for the space satellites, it can track storms from orbit, which means we can predict. So I'm gonna present about my app. So before we proceed with my main app, this is like the options. So my app is usually about surviving, so I prefer highest energy. And then for the storm severity, it means how strong is your storm is. So mild is the weakest, and then moderate means middle, and severe means a little bit strong, and extreme means deadly. I prefer moderate. And there's also 4 options here. Mission duration, I think 3 minutes is enough. For the research speed, fast can be more beneficial to us because we can have many research points in short time. So this is my app here. As you can see, this is the surface of the Mars. And then these are the information that we choose in the options. So let's test it. And this is the energy. For example, let's do orbital satellite. Any cost 120 energy, and let's put it here. So this can predict or gives survival rate of the storms. And as you can see here, there's a storm can pass through. And you can also check here population safety. And then you can also add more machines here. Let's do drone. And you can also get research points. By using research points, you can reach level 1 or level 2. And if you reach level 1 or 2, you can have more machines. For example, yeah, it's unlocked it now. So like this, you can have more machines. But more machines means it can consume more energies. So if the energy is out of, then it means we're all right. And that's it for my app. And going back to slides. So my app can simulate storms with different machines. And this app can show detailed, accurate rate of population. And then this app shows a detailed data system in visual. And in conclusion, this can help test experimental technologies and compare technologies side by side, and then to understand how to effectively use energy. Thank you.
All right, let's give a round of applause for Junjun.